Welcome to the NotePirate Financial Accounting Crash Course, where you will learn fundamental topics like the double entry accounting system, how to prepare financial statements, and those pesky generally accepted accounting principles. Throughout the course, I will look to provide you with a deep understanding of accounting concepts, which should lead to an increased sense of confidence in your judgment and decision making. My name is Dave, and along with my trusty colorful stylus and Canadianisms, I'll look to guide you through this course. I began my current education as a tutor, assisting hundreds of students at Ryerson University. I've led countless study groups of up to 50 students at a time, preparing them for midterms and final exams. I studied my Bachelor of Commerce at Ryerson University, and I'm currently working on my CPA. We designed the course mainly for students that are taking financial accounting in college or university. However, it also has many applications that are beneficial to both small business owners and bookkeepers. In this course, we'll introduce you to the conceptual framework of financial accounting, and we'll explain elements like assets, liabilities, and equity. That's only the first 10 videos. Altogether, we have 69 videos covering topics like receivables, inventory systems, and revenue recognition, along with post-lecture quizzes designed to reinforce what you've learned. By the end of the course, you'll have built a solid base to score better on midterms and final exams. Thanks for taking the time to watch our course introduction. Feel free to take a look through our course reviews. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee if you find that the course doesn't live up to your expectations. Enroll now, get results.